So we have gotten a lot done. We have a bunch of small little, what will soon to be background pieces, some cute little flowers, some more flowers. The only thing that's making me nervous is these stems. They're quite long and fragile. So I am hoping they do not warp. I'm gonna go put them in the kiln just to sit and dry because everything is taking like so much room in the shop. So we're gonna load these in the kiln and just let them dry and sleep. And then it is time to cut out the main part of the design, which will be a sun in the center. And I'm gonna try to make that one giant tile. Well, the circle part, not the rays. The rays will be their own giant tiles. So we shall see. We shall see. So wish these little, especially these stems, these long ones, luck. I originally was going to cut them in different pieces, but I thought, let's try to make them one pretty tile. So we shall see.